So you found this video, guys, because you're probably like me and you're looking for a method on how to get Netflix for free in 2024. I spent hours searching for a reliable and working method to get Netflix for free, and I have finally managed to find one. You're probably as frustrated as I am if you've been searching the internet, and there are so many methods online that are simply wastes of time, and this hopefully will streamline the process of getting Netflix for free. So I'm going to be showing you a tutorial. Make sure you follow all of these steps and instructions, and let's do this, guys. Enjoy. Okay, so let's show you how you can go ahead and get Netflix for free in 2024. So you need to use your mobile phone for this, guys. I'm using my iPhone, but it really doesn't matter which device you use, just as long as you have an internet access. And you've got to head over to this website, guys, so make sure you type it exactly how I'm going to type it here. www.wavycoupons.com. So head over to Wavy Coupons, guys. This website is absolutely awesome. I discovered them a few months ago, and they've saved me so much money. Not only on, of course, Netflix, but they've saved me money across pretty much everything else. So your first mission, guys, is to navigate your way to the Netflix page. So you can see there is a search bar at the top of the screen. So just type in here Netflix. And this is what you're looking for, guys, Netflix plan codes. Now, this is a Netflix promo code that you can get, and it's going to upgrade to a standard or premium plan. You can enter these codes directly within the Netflix website, and it's super easy. So you need to get your code. As you can see, you can select either a 12-month Netflix standard plan or 12-month Netflix premium plan. I'm going to go ahead and click on show coupon for the premium plan. And you need to unlock your code. Of course, these codes are pretty valuable and worth quite a bit of money. So this prevents people from stealing all of the codes to make a profit. So to unlock your code, you tap this button here. Now, I'm not going to do it. I've already done this and I've already got Netflix. But basically, guys, when that completes, you're going to see a new screen and it's going to tell you how to unlock your free Netflix promo code. It's completely easy. It takes about 5 minutes. You need to just complete a couple of these free tasks to verify you are a real person. And that, guys, is how you can get Netflix for completely free. So once you verify yourself, this code will be fully revealed and you can go ahead and enjoy your free Netflix, guys. So head over to wavycoupons.com, just follow through all of the instructions, and it's super easy, guys. Smash that like button if I helped you get your free Netflix subscription.